Good morning, students. Today I will tell about WAP, that is known as Wireless Application Protocol. In this, we study about these things, that is mobile application, how mobile and wireless environments are different, why it is used, what is the architecture of WAP, and these are the components of other. You know? Firstly, we talk about mobile application where it is used. It is used in vehicles for transmissions of news and roads condition, etc. Another is ad hoc network with near vehicles to prevent accidents. Second, applications used in emergencies. Early transmission of of patients' data to the hospitals, militaries, earthquakes, cyclones, ad hoc network with the help of ad hoc networks. And third one is traveling salesman, which is direct access to the central customers files, consistent database for all agents and mobile offices. Web generally used with World Wide Web and mobility. Combination of www and mobility, web is used for with this sorry uh, web uses World Wide Web and mobility. www uses HTTP and mobility use HTTP and HTML. Currently, HTML and HTTP has not designed for mobile applications. What is HTTP characteristics? Designed for large bandwidth, low delay, stateless. It is client server architecture, response communications, connection oriented. In previous, we have already these things. In next, system support for mobile interface. This is enhancing bounding browsers, which is used for client aware to support mobility. Proxies, client proxies, prefetching and caching offline and uses network properties, adaptive content transmission from connections, client and network protocols. After that, enhanced server, which means that it support for mobility server aware. Serve the content of multi-ways depend on client capabilities. And third last point was new protocol just as languages, WAP and WML. WML stands for wireless markup languages. What is WAP? WAP is wireless application protocol, empower mobile users with wireless devices to easily access and interact with information and services. A standard created by wireless and internet companies to enable the internet access from a cellular phone. Web Forum tells that Web Forum designed the web. There are 450 members in 2000 companies manufactured the wireless service provider ISP in industries. Goal of web is deliver internet service to mobile devices, enable application to scale across a variant of transport options from different devices, independent from wireless network standards, and these are the other technologies which is used in web services. Basically, web is a network independent service. With the help of network, without any dependent on network, everyone can be used that thing. Main features of web is browsers. In this we have uses micro browsers, just similar to the web browsers in laptop we have already used. Second point is markup language. It is just similar as HTML language. In this we uses as WML language, script language. It uses JavaScripts and mobile devices adaptability. Gateways, transition from wireless to the wired mobility. We use gateways. Server, web oblique origin servers, similar to the web servers. And next is protocol layer, transport layer, security layer, session layer, and transactions layers. There are five protocol we used in this. After that, telephone application interfaces also uses web. These are the internet models, these are the clients, here we are, and these are the servers. Server, with the help of internet, the client connected to the servers with the help of browsers. Firstly, with the client, you open the browser and send a request with the help of HTTP, that is your browser, with through internet. And what application we have used, what we have used, for example, we open our browser and type www.gmail.com. With the help of that browser, they request the URL through internet, and script, CGI scripts open Google interfaces. After that, JavaScript and HTML responses there with the help of internet and come to our systems, client systems, and open that Gmail pages. Next was web architecture. In previous we have seen that the gateway for that, this is the previous internet model before we have using web. After in this we have uses the third phase, and which is middle between client and web server, that is known as web gateway. Firstly, client uses client send the message to the server with the help of gateway, and web servers respond through that with the help of that gateway. These are the diagram which we have to draw in exam. This is application server. Previous was architecture. This is application server. In this, there you can see that WML, that is known as wireless markup language. With the help of WSP and WTP, it sends the message to the application server, what the applications, which type of application we have used, and then send response to the network. These are the basic stack diagram of web. Here there are 5 layers. First layer was wireless application environment. Second, wireless sensor layers. Third, wireless transport layer. Fourth, wireless transport layer security. And fifth is wireless datagram protocol. These are the basic application of web. Okay, other services it has been enhanced in future. These are the technology used to connect between this with the help of these layers, and these are the and this is the internet architecture we have used. First we see about that wireless application environment. It uses micro browsers. The application of micro browser was WML script, WTA, WTAI. Second was wireless sensor networks. It sends the things and send the message to the transport layer. It gave a message from wireless application environment. Wireless transport layer can provide a lightweight X-oriented service, which is unreliable in first way, reliable in first way, two-way request and response. Third was wireless transport layer security. Lightweight SSL used in this. This is the diagram in which we have seen the WAP stacks. Web wireless application environment architecture is application model based architecture. It browsers, gateway and server. WML and WTA is used for web. WAE, that is wireless. WML can be used by XMLs and other card stacks and variables. There are different applications for that. And WTA is telephone services such as call control, phone books, etc. WSP. WSP is wireless session protocol. It provides a session for connecting between the connected for the connection for the network. Connection for the network. It supports session and security. WTP, Wireless Transport Protocol, provide a reliable message transmission mechanism and idea for TCP, RCP, etc. Ideal for WTS stands for Wireless Transport Layer Security. It provides data integrity, privacy, authentication, function, efficiency, and inter transport actions, transactions actions. WTP stands for Wireless Datagram Protocol, provide a transport layer function based on idea of UDP, TCP, and etc. Why web we use? Wireless mobile and phones. For wireless mobile and phones, we have uses web. It has specific need of requirement just as low bandwidth, small display, low CPU efficiency, low RAM, low connection. That's why we are using web. Not addressed by existing. It is not exist. It is not implemented internet existing technologies. Web enables data protocols such as TCP/IP, UDP/IP, GUTS, GERTS, SMP, USSDP. Optimize the content and air link protocol. Utilize the pen of web HTML servers. Leverage existing development methodologies. Utilize standard internet markup languages that is known as XML markup languages. And web UI interface component map well one onto the existing mobile phone user interface. No re-education of end users, leveraging and market pretensions of mobile devices. Several modular entity together form fully component internet utility. Why HTML and HTTP used? This diagram clearly sends that wireless networks uses content encoding. It sends the data in with the help of binary things. So big pipe, small pipe syndromes uses that thing. Why web server summary? Its origins from HTML, WML contents. Web servers, WML contents, web stacks, OTA protocol for push and end-to-end security possible. WTA servers, telephone applications run web push, use push, client initiated, make up hyperlanguage for yellow pages, several intents incoming from voicemail servers. These are another diagram for web protocol stacking. You can also draw it. And this one is a service protocol weir example, which we see that where the web is developed and where it is remaining things was in recent they are developing the things. Thank you so much.